Let's learn a new Spanish verb. Permitir. Permitir. Hi everyone, today's Spanish word of the day is going to be a verb. The Spanish verb of the day is permitir. Permitir. This is a regular Spanish verb and it means to allow. In some situations, it could mean to let or to permit. Now, let's see a few examples using this verb. El museo no permite tomar fotos. El museo no permite tomar fotos. El lugar no permitirá la entrada a menores. El lugar no permitirá la entrada a menores. El tráfico no me permitió llegar a tiempo. El tráfico no me permitió llegar a tiempo. Los policías no permiten pasar a las personas. Los policías no permiten pasar a las personas. ¿Está permitido nadar en el mar ahorita? ¿Está permitido nadar en el mar ahorita? Okay, that was the Spanish verb of the day. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smelessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. If you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel on that website as well. You just need to click on donate. I'll leave the link to that in the video description down below as well. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!